today's lecture will be based on the Java's toString method. First, let's find out what is toString method and what's its use. Okay, there is a class named method test. It has three variables: hours, minutes, and seconds. Basically, it tells the time, what time you have initialized with the constructors. There are two constructors. First is default constructor, which initializes the values to 0, and second overload constructor gives the appropriate values to these variables. What happens when you try to print out these object values, empty1 and empty2? Okay, let's check. First we will save our file on the basis of our main class method, which is main test demo. Just save it and then open your command prompt or terminal. Then go to the directory in which you have saved the file. Then compile it. As you can see, these two weird things, method test at 8102c3, and the next things. You don't want your program to show up these things. What you want is your program, or basically these objects, to show up what this contains. It means hours, minutes, and seconds. So you will have to override a toString method which is defined in object class. So basically you define a toString method. Its return type is string, and you return whatever the way you want to your object to represent. So I have done is time is hours, minutes, and seconds. If you have truly overloaded this method, then you can see the changes when we will try to print out the objects empty1 and empty2. Okay, let's try it. Let's try to run it again. As you can see that the objects, how they used to print out is different. Their format is changed. As you can see that the way we have overloaded our toString method, our objects have shown according to it. Time is 12 hours 34 minutes and 45 seconds. This is for our overload constructor, and time is 0 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds. It is for our default constructor. So in case if you want to show up your object with different things, then you can overload your toString method according to it. Thank you.